Eagle 865 welds anything to anything other than aluminum. According to ancient welding wizards, it can repair everything except a broken heart. Our customers use it to build up and join all grades of low and high alloy steels, tool steel, manganese, and high carbon steels. They use it for rebuilding shafts, fixing leaky cylinders, forging dies, hot shearing blades, dies, punches, conveyor chains, and debarker knives. But what it's famous for is for removing broken bolts from motor housings, manifolds, idlers, and rollers. Use a low amperage and build up the broken stud until it's flush. And then you can weld on a nut. And then it spins off with a wrench. This is the go-to rod for our customers in service trucks, farming, aggregates, heavy oil field construction, and loggers. When it's time to weld dissimilar metals, or from spinning out bolts to welding lifting lugs on crusher parts, Eagle 865 will save you time and money, and aggravation. For all the sizes and tech data, visit eaglealloys.ca.
Our Eagle 865 rod, we use this for pulling out broken studs. All you do is take the rod. This is basically a simulation of a broken stud down inside. There's the threads. So what I like to do is I like to warm up the rod first and then drop it down in the hole, but don't arc the sides. Warm it up, and then I go in the hole. So by rights, I shouldn't be able to twist that nut off. Those threads should be wrecked. The flux will coat the threads, the metal rises to the top, and then what you do is you build a little bit more of a, almost like a little tip off there, weld the nut on top of that, let it cool, and they come right out impact.
If you see that weld, what happens is it pulls inward. So if there's a broken bolt in there, it'll actually pull it away from the engine, and it makes it easier to screw out with a wrench. That's what makes this process so good.